tensions on the high seas have skyrocketed after the United States intercepted an oil tanker flying the Russian flag on the high seas in North Atlantic Ocean. And the US has done this to 2 vessels. What will Russia do? How will Russia respond? And is there no rules of the sea anymore? Is it just might is right?
Global tensions are sharply rising after US seized oil tankers linked to Venezuela, one of them flying the Russian flag. High seas enforcement in dramatic fashion. Super tanker at sea, helicopter overhead. US Coast Guard personnel rappelling onto the deck. Russian flagged tanker Marinera intercepted. US officials say the sanctioned tanker was tracked for 2 weeks. It altered its route to evade enforcement and was seized before any Russian escort arrived as a part of the Venezuelan oil blockade. The US also seized the Panamanian-flagged M. Sofia carrying Venezuelan crude oil. The message from US is clear: the blockade is in place anywhere in the world.
2 oil tankers, 2 overnight, were seized by the United States of America, stateless or sanctioned, because the oil blockade, the quarantine of oil out of unsanctioned or stateless, sanctioned or stateless vessels continues. That leverage will continue as Secretary Rubio outlined. So our military is prepared to continue this.
The second phase will be a phase that we call recovery, and that is ensuring that American, Western, and other companies have access to the Venezuelan market in a way that's fair. Also, at the same time, begin to create the process of reconciliation nationally within Venezuela so that the opposition forces can be amnestied and released and from prisons or brought back to the country and begin to rebuild civil society.
Russia has issued a sharp condemnation of the US action. Russia says it is monitoring the US military boarding of the vessel and has demanded humane treatment for those on board. Moscow insists the rights of Russian citizens must be fully respected and has called for their prompt return home. The Russia Foreign Ministry says the vessel was sailing under the Russian flag and was boarded in open sea. It maintains that freedom of navigation applies and international norms must be upheld. But it does not end there. Washington is tightening the screws further. A bill expected to pass in the US Congress would allow tariffs of up to 500% on countries purchasing Russian oil. This escalation comes just days after US action linked to Venezuela. Oil has become the flashpoint, sanctions the strategy, and the US-Russia standoff is once again pushing global stability to the brink. With Geeta Mohan and Pranay Upadhyay, Bureau Report, India Today.